Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Please join with us. Good afternoon, Souradeep Bhattacharya. Souradeep, you have seen the video. Souradeep, can you hear me? Shrey Rumta, yes, I'm audible. Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. Probably all of you had lunch before coming to this session. Souradeep, good afternoon. Start asking questions. If you, any one of you can recognize me that whether that video is clear to you or not. You can see the video, na? You can access the video from this Google Classroom. Whether it has been accessed or not, I don't know. Good afternoon, Gori. Okay. Then if you have any doubts, then ask questions. And if you understood the problems, then definitely you can solve this. You have already solved those assignments. And please submit it. And those who have doubts, clear to me. What would be the time complexity if we use bubble sorting in the problems discussed in the pre-recorded video? Okay, Santan Dasgupta, I am telling you. Okay, what would be the time complexity if we use? What is the time complexity of bubble sort? Can you tell me, Santan? It is order of n square. Can you remember, Santan? Can you remember? The complexity of the bubble sort algorithm is order of n square, and after doing this sorting, it will give you the desired result, but the complexity is order of n square. But in our method, the complexity is order of n. That is much more better than this bubble sorting method. Okay, don't do this. In fact, the best sorting method will take order of n into log n time. That is also much greater than order of n. So sorting will not help you to do this type of job. to get better efficiency of the designed algorithm. Clear, Santan? Is it clear to you? Yes. Any more questions? And that's it is order of n square, right? Right. Santan. Any more questions? Uh, in the first method that I have told, two scan that I have told in the solve design technique for that problem, the complexity for both techniques is order of n. But in the first method, it is taking or actually 2n scan. That means 2 times it is scanning the whole array. And the second method, it is scanning only once. Though it is order of n, and just you remember one thing, that the lower bound of this lower bound of any algorithm designed by any one of you for solving this problem, it is order of n, because you have to see those n elements in that array. That is the main point. That is, if you have to see those elements, that means at least n order of n time must be needed. So this will be the lower bound of any designed algorithm by anyone. So if you do this, if you can solve this problem by only one scan, then that means this is optimum in terms of number of scanning, and in terms of order of n, the both algorithms are optimal, because the 2n number of seeing is equivalent to order of n also, right? But the second is optimum one. Okay. Now, any more questions? I am giving you 2 minutes time. Please ask question, otherwise I will end the streaming. If you have any doubts. If the 2 minutes time is over, then it is supposed to be there is no doubt of you. Or you at all, not at all see the video. Please type your name and roll number. Good afternoon, everybody who joined later. And any more doubts? Savarna Ghosh Dastidar, is it clear to you? Sir, in the example that we were using, one traversal is not the time complexity. It's not the time complexity. No, no, no. Sofik Poddar, uh, my yes, in this example, we are using one traversal is not the time complexity of the page. No, no, Sofik Poddar. You just see this. What is the condition of terminating this um, while loop? That is left less than, it is running till left less than right. So left pointer will be increasing and right pointer will be decreasing. At some point, left will be greater than equal to right. That means how many times the scanning is done. How many times the scanning? That means you will reach to a certain point where the left and right will collide, and at that time the program will end. That means the total scan is, if the left pointer will move r times and the right pointer will definitely move n minus r places. So the total number of movement is r plus n minus r, that is n. Okay, is it clear, Sofik Poddar? because we are using while loop within another. No, 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 you don't. And while loop uh, is for updating the left pointer and also at the time of right pointer. Okay, you see this carefully. This is not the nested one. This is for improving the left pointer and uh, using the right pointer. Just see carefully. Not always the nested loops will give you the order of n square complexity. Got it? Okay. Any more doubts? Subik, your question is very nice because I have already told in the previous classes where the classes were been taken physically, and that nested for loops means the complexity is that you see if the two nested for loops are there for under for, that means the complexity is at most n square. It is not true that it is exactly n square. Sir, in the first question inside Devashish Ghosh, uh, inside the while loop you have written r plus plus, but will that be r minus minus? I cannot remember whether I have written this r plus plus. Yes, yes, r right pointer will be decreasing, or it should be minus minus. This is a printing mistake done by me. Sorry, Devashish Ghosh. I will see the video definitely. It should be a r minus minus. Devashish Ghosh. Yes, yes. Inside the while it should be r minus minus. It's a printing mistake. Right, Saurabh. Thank you, Saurabh. Because the right pointer will be decreasing and the left pointer will be increasing. In case of r plus plus, it should be r minus minus. Okay. Just remember this one thing. I have definitely I have told this r will be decreased, but I have written here r plus plus, right? Okay. Good thing. Saurabh Layak, uh, did you type your roll number? Right, right. Somadev Bhuya. Yes, yes, yes. R minus minus. Definitely. Thank you very much. You have seen the video carefully. Nice of you. That is nice of you. Good. Any more questions, please? All of you had lunch, or you will take lunch? Probably no more questions are there. Any questions? Shantan, questions are there? Okay. I will also take. I have not taken. Okay. Oh, it is a Somadip Bhuya, it is a running process. What algorithm you have used, Somadip, to take lunch? Okay. And no, any more questions? Probably no more questions. I'm giving you 1 minute time. After that, if no questions are there, then I will ending the stream. Okay, I will end the streaming. I'm waiting for 1 minute. Yes, nice answer, Somodip. Dynamic memory allocation. Definitely, because everything is distributed somewhere else. Regression tree, I guess, sir, he's doing multiple tasks. You know regression tree, Shobik Poddar? The random forest. All of you are doing those terms, random forest, regression tree. Oh, nice. Okay. Mm, okay. Thanks to all of you for this live session, and thank you very much. I'm ending this. I am ending the streaming. Bye bye. Stay at home till 14th April. Okay. Thank you very much.